Here's a spot. Definitely gonna come and poke around here some point in time. Alright. Mother Nature's natural river system. And it's got a nice little boiler going on here. This spot is beautiful. Do you want to see? You sure? Nah, I don't know if I should show you. Fine. Oh, look at that mess. What is that? You gotta be freaking kidding me, right? Oh, is that an anticline? Okay, Jose, you gotta be kidding me. Not in one of my locations. Anticline bedrock. Now, how do you suppose I get underneath there? Maybe this year I'll have to invest in a snorkel and a wetsuit. But we'll leave that for thinking and dreaming for now. I'm gonna clean out these tracks tomorrow. First thing, coming here. I'm gonna need some crevicing. This is gorgeous. Freaking beautiful. Dead zone. Doesn't look too dirty, but they start cleaning out the cracks. You'd be surprised how much crap you'll pull out of there. Well, enough of that. We get to see the spot again tomorrow. Better get back to camp and get ready for the nighttime. I know my body's sore. My legs are telling me I'm crazy again. But hey, you want to be a prospector, do you? There. Looking a little bit more homely now. Nice big pile drying out. Fire's going nicely. Got my trenches shoveled out. Trenches, do 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 do. No more sinking, no more sore legs. Do 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 do. So I haven't seen much of the residents around. Nice, that thing comes in handy. Boy, does it ever. Yep. Wonder what time it is. Organize my food corner a little bit. The coffee section ready to go. See what time it is here. 7:04. It's getting dark soon. Turn you on then. Geez, I almost feel like getting the pan out. Nah, my legs, they need a rest. Yeah, we'll turn you on later. Maybe we'll shoot a firework off or two. Well, it's 8:30 now. Getting pretty dark around here. Frickin' lantern's being a frickin' lantern. So I just got the flashlight. Wood's being stubborn. Fire pit's sinking a little bit. Need to re-gravel it in the morning. Yeah. So I'm gonna shoot some fireworks off. Hopefully I catch this. I don't have it on the tripod, but we'll see. But woohoo, how was that? Lighting the place up a bit. Well, that was that for now. Turn you on a bit later, I guess. Well, good morning. Battery's almost dead again. Oh, I'm just waiting for my water to boil so I can get some coffee on the go. Been up since 4:30. I don't know why. I think after all that climbing around yesterday, I just want to sleep. 4:30 came around and I couldn't fall back asleep. So I said, that was it. And got birch bark and started myself a fire.